And mine? Mine's something that we prepared in-house and it looks like this. All this is real-time data which gives me just the right insights about the season. And how were we able to do this? Well, that's something that I'll tell you after the game. What we have here is an entire dashboard with all the players, teams, performances, wins and losses, well, any statistic that could help a cricket team win a game. And all this is real-time data. Where did I get it? Well, the internet, of course. But it does seem a little impossible, no? Getting real-time data from the internet. Well, it was made possible because I have a little trick up my sleeve called web scraping. Web scraping is the process of extracting data and information from websites on the internet. This process helps you gather data from multiple sources from the internet really quickly. And here's how it's done. First, we use a tool like the beautiful soup from Python to fetch content from web pages in the form of HTML. Next, the program understands the data in the HTML pages through a process called parsing. Finally, the data, which includes text, GIFs, images, etc., is extracted from the parsed HTML content. And like that, we have our data ready for use. Various domains, including data science and data analysis, use web scraping actively. However, it's important to use web scraping responsibly and ethically. For example, I can use all the data that I've scraped for my personal use, but if I use it for my own commercial benefit, I might anger a few people. So, getting all the data through web scraping was the first and one of the most important steps of creating the dashboard. However, the process just doesn't end there. Once you scrape the data, you'll have something which looks like this. Then, we turn all this into something that's a bit more presentable. And how do we do that? Well, that's an entire topic by itself, so stay tuned.